Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix blue screen problem in your PC. The blue screen of death has become notorious and is commonly believed to indicate an unfixable error with a device. But while it's always frustrating to see the blue screen, the fatal system error that caused Windows to crash can usually be fixed. The blue screen of death is usually caused by improperly installed, damaged, or aging hardware or by buggy or incompatible software. Driver updates for your graphics card or other hardware components can also cause a blue screen of death if they fail to integrate properly with the rest of your system. Blue screen errors may also result from overheating, especially if you're experiencing other issues like a loud computer fan or a task manager showing 100% disk usage. Overheating itself could also signal a more fundamental problem with your computer, such as an infection by spyware or another form of malware. Follow me to fix this problem. First we will go to BIOS settings, because if BIOS settings hard disk is not properly selected mode, this problem can happen. Then go to BIOS settings. For that, after restarting the computer, press Del button or F2 button press. After opening BIOS settings, first go to advanced bar options, then go to SATA configuration option and press enter button. After entering the SATA configuration, the SATA controller must be enabled. Then go to SATA mode selection and hit enter. You will see that there are two modes in SATA mode selection. One is IDE and the other is AHCI. You can select any one. I had previously selected IDE mode, so I will now select AHCI mode, but if you had previously selected AHCI mode, you would have selected IDE mode. You simply save the BIOS settings by pressing F10. After saving the BIOS settings, your computer will restart. After that, hopefully there won't be any problem. If there is problem, then it might be from your hard drive or RAM. After doing these things, turn on the computer. I hope the computer will start without any problem. I hope this video helped you. Please share it with your friends also. If you have any doubts related to this, let us know in the comment box below. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.